Take 50 million. Outside's alright. What's going on? Two guys in there.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we'll be installing on a Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX some bar risers from Moto CNC. So it's not on my bike, it's on my friend's bike, Turbo Tony. You can pick these up for about 79 quid, 80 quid, something like that. So we're going to have a look what's in the box and then we're going to crack on with installing it. Looks straightforward, but yeah, let's give it a try. So straight away there's literally like 6 bolts, 2 big long ones, 4 little ones. Nice little business card from Moto CNC. Okay. So I've just discovered that I've earned £10. So it says on the card, we will pay £10 for every installation video that gets added to YouTube that tags us in it. I'll be tagging you in it. Nice one, cheers for tenner. And you also get a nice little sticker from Moto CNC. Nice little touch.
Yeah, that's what it is.
There's all the Instagram details, how to follow them, how to find them. And on there is their website. So, let's have a gander.
Mine then you should have put chucky stuff out.
Not my box, is it? Straightforward, deluxe, so I have 2 bolts straight through there. Literally got R on there, which obviously suggests right, and I'm guessing process of elimination. This side. And it does, this side says left, so left and right. Not much to it, to be fair. Let's chuck on an install video. Let's go.
Yeah.
I'm off, I'm gone. Mate, I've already gone and finished, installed it, done. Hi guys, so we are with the bike. It is a Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX in the green. We're going to chuck the bar risers on. It's going to be dead straightforward. There's literally 3 bolts on that side, 3 bolts on that side. What could go wrong? I'm glad it ain't my bike, let me tell you.
Okay.
Right then, so you should be able to, in theory, just do it with these 2.
What sizes are they?
These are a size.
Right, come on, let's get on with it.
So, should be dead straightforward. Literally, you've got 2 bolts down here. And a bolt there, Allen key bolt. Said in theory should be dead straightforward. Trying to scratch his paintwork because he won't be happy. Tell you what, that one's on.
Yeah. We had loose on one of them.
Probably top of them, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Right, if it wasn't 1,000,000 degrees today. Boots and cats, boots and cats, boots and cats. So take these couple of bolts out. Literally 6 bolts that all are replaced in the box. I won't recommend throwing them away like, but you know. Uno bolt. So these should just loosen the actual grip just around this bit here. Practice with plenty of wrist action there. So I've come back, realised not an Allen key, it is the Star, whatever they are. I think the T-Talks, something or other.
Talk then.
Talk to me. Fucking hell. Need a bit of leverage on that, mate. proper in there, that. There we go. What's up? So if I could just get my glamorous assistant just to hold this this handle. Well, I wasn't supposed to say glamorous like, but and there we have it. A bit of thread lock on that. That's why it's so so stiff, so hard. We'll get rid of that. What's up? Process of elimination, just pull that straight up and there you have it, your handle's off. So let's get to fitting the new one. So dead straightforward, you've got R there, chuck it on R, literally straightforward. So you've got obviously the bolt that lines up with that, and then you've got them two bolts that you took out. Shove it on, line that bolt up with the bolt that comes with. You get 6 bolts, so obviously the longest bolt is the one that goes through there with the washer still onto there. Don't like the fact that that's aluminium, not black to go with it, but we move. Make sure that's biting the oil all the side. It is, perfect. So let's get an Allen key to fit that.
There's something to bear in mind with this. Once these are fitted, you can't adjust your suspension because the suspension adjuster, it covers it up.
A bit of a pain in the ass, of course, yeah, because that's yeah. So you're going to make sure that's nice and tight. Once that's on, chuck these 2 bolts. That does come with the kit, which are here. Again, these are standard Allen keys. I can't turn it on the bar. I'm trying to say, can we turn handlebars? Let's not. Let's put that one in a bit and then put a one in. What the? Difficult, really, because it could be like a ratchet. So what you do want to do with these guys is you want to do the top one for a little bit, a couple of turns, and then you want to do the bottom one for a couple of turns, so they're both like sort of snug. You don't want to tighten one up and then tighten the other one up. Then it'll be uneven. So it does take a while. That's just biting there. Cool beans.
Press screen.
So once you've done that, guys and girls, and dogs and whatever else, so there should be enough slack in this cable, all the wiring cables, things like that.
Them nuts going after.
That nut does.
Alright.
Because that's the only thing that holds them on.
Yeah, it does, yeah. That black one goes in there, doesn't it? Doesn't matter. Keep going.
It does, because I fucked it up.
Matter. What did you do?
I fucked up.
Fucked up? Why did you fuck up?
So that Allen key bolt thing there, obviously when you put the handlebar back on, should go through that. So don't do what I've done. This is not an install video properly done by an engineer and whatnot.
It's alright, keep going. Let's go.
Let's take that out. I don't think that will come out then.
Imagine.
Boots and cats and boots and cats. What do you do here today?
Bent.
It's been like 1,000,000 degrees today.
Nuclear heat from Putin's fucking bombs.
Right then, let's do this properly, shall we? Let's put this on here. There we go. Let's do it properly this time. So because this side is a bit fiddly because of the reservoir, just doing a bit hand tight first. Might be a bit easier if I do this side. It's just an awkward position with that. I'm not taking reservoir off because it ain't my bike. I don't think Tony'd be too pleased if I did take it out. There we go. Be a lot easier on the other side, but there's not much to contend with. We'll speed this up for you guys, so you don't have to watch me mess about with an Allen key. Like I said, I'm glad I'm doing this on his bike and not mine. Shame can't even clip that on it.
What the fuck? 30 minutes you just fucking about.
Do you want to do
it? You just fucking drill.
That probably makes sense, wouldn't it?
Has it got the same end on it?
No, it's one of them Allen keys. I think it's got Allen key on it. Scratch on my lens.
Fuck right lens.
I noticed. Shouldn't be a fucking 8-ball like this. What's the fucking idea with this?
Yours.
Well, I don't want to do it. I'm taking it back. For all that bit, my fucking battery's dying now.
No, you're right.
Bit mint if that reservoir thing weren't there.
Should we clip it?
I don't screw it in.
Is it? Normally just unclip it.
Yeah, that bit does, but I think it's screwed into plastic in it or moulded.
Yeah, right.
And there you have it. Like the what's that bartender guy on Facebook?
Let me just make sure.
Trying to film. Shut up. Right, so I've just chucked one on, and obviously the other one on that side. To look at, there's not much difference.
2 inch.
2 inch higher. Is that it?
It don't look 2 inch, does it?
I don't know. 2 inch might be a lot to some people. Let me know in the comments. Is 2 inch a lot? Yeah, it don't look that higher. The only thing that does look different, like cosmetic wise, is you just got like a little cover over it, suspension. But I don't know. We'll see when we sit back on it and see if it's any different.
Yeah.
We'll take that one off, replace that one, we'll join back.
Is it worth it for 1 inch?
Right guys, so we're all complete, all done. First sit on the bike, it does feel a little bit more comfortable when you're sort of cruising down a motorway. I feel like it's a little bit more relaxed feel, but if you do want to sort of lean back and tuck in, and it does feel a little bit like you're too compact here. That's my first thoughts on them. So I don't think that I'll be doing them on my bike.
So the question is, does it feel comfortable while you sat on it?
It feels really comfy. Like, you know, when you sat, like I said, when you're on a motorway, I think it'd be nice and easy.
You've definitely got more of an upright position there. You've not got that sporty position. It is a sports tourer with the emphasis more on sports, but you've not got that sports position anymore.
No,
you sort of lost it.
With them, you definitely do take away the sports. I think it's more tourer vibes with these on. So that's going to do it for this one, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the install video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Cheers. See you.